Hey folks, I'm Rob.
And I'm Nathan.
And we are Two Guys in a Ride. Today, Nate, tell us where we're at.
Oh, we are at a boat show. We're at the Progressive Boat Show in the Minneapolis Convention Center.
That's right. So what are we taking a look at?
We are taking a look at boats and personal watercraft.
That's right. But say, before we do, take a moment, hit that subscribe button down below and ring that bell notification
up above so you never miss a video.
So what do you say, Nate? Let's go look for a ride. All right.
All right, so now we're over at our third Sea-Doo, and this is the Spark Sea-Doo. So this is like the starting model.
This is our fun machine, the entry level, or just kind of going back to basics. Over the years, Sea-Doos and all watercraft in general started out as smaller, lighter weight machines, and then progressed with more power and heavier, larger machines. And people were clamoring for a lower price, lightweight, simple machine. So in 2014, after 10 years in development, Sea-Doo came out with the Sea-Doo Spark. Again, getting back to the basics, very lightweight, very playful, but using modern technology for the propulsion package and the materials to keep it very, very lightweight.
Now, when Ted said it's it's like the entry-level model. Let me tell you, folks, there's plenty of features on this vehicle, even though it's on this watercraft, even though it's a starting model. So let's talk about some of these things.
Well, some of the, like I said, the Sea-Doo Spark is just a rocket machine. Just very, very playful. It only weighs 400 pounds. So in the water, you can toss it around, do donuts, tail stands, all sorts of fun activities. The way watercraft started out in the beginning. Now this one does have our some of the accessories that are available on the Spark. We have our Bluetooth audio system, which is Sea-Doo's really focused in on the audio packages for their different machines. This is a removable P-ball.
Oh, wow.
When you get to the beach, you can take this off. You got 50 watts of power in this, so you can just take it to the beach or on the dock, take it off the machine and take it with you.
I've not seen one that's detachable before.
Right.
I love that.
So that would reattach there, if I can come around front here, and locks back in place. Also, as I mentioned, it's very lightweight. We have our bumpers shown on this one here that are available. It comes with the Lynx accessory package also, so you can, if we got them demonstrated right here, we've got a cooler that you can bring on and off, and again, it's securely attached to the machine.
So not only do you have your portable music, but you can also get a portable cooler that comes with it.
Right.
Gotta love that.
Yeah. Again, it's just a 2-up or 3-up version, so you can do some towing activities with it, tubing, that kind of activities. Just a great, great fun day out on the water.
And how many cc's is this one?
Now this one, we've got our 900cc engine, a 90 horsepower engine, but its horsepower to weight ratio makes it a very, very fun machine. Again, with the 90 horsepower version, you can get over 50 miles an hour on this machine also.
Wow, wow. And in the front here, I noticed this. We talked about this a little bit earlier, but you actually have like
it's a storage area for our safety kit. It's got your flag and whistle, those kind of items that are Coast Guard regulated for boating activities.
Right in there, and then it covers up, of course.
Right. Yeah, we've got our cover that's the side panel snaps in place and covers that up when it's in use.
And then up here, do we have more storage up here?
Again, it's designed as minimalist, but we do have a storage box up forward. So you could put your life jacket or smaller items up front there.
Yeah, that's pretty neat.
But again, the whole design concept was to keep it simple and affordable.
And wow, I mean that's a lot of options you've got. I absolutely love these bumpers.
Yeah, these bumpers are sweet. It's got mount points already molded in the Spark, and they're pinned in place. So
they're not coming off.
Pop them in place, and they'll be secure.
I was thinking they were just attached down here, but there's an actual pin that goes right through.
Right there.
That is really neat. What a neat machine for an entry level. I mean, all the accessories that you can get with it, and it's still a much cheaper price.
2014, when it came out, it revolutionized the watercraft industry again. But I mean, its name is Spark, and it actually sparked interest in watercraft again. Watercraft sales were starting to decline a little bit, and the Spark just jacked up the sales like crazy, and it's the #1 selling watercraft model in the world.
What an appropriate name for it, then.
Yes.
Okay, so there's another feature on this particular one, because it's like a trickster.
This is our Tricks version. It's got the handlebars, which will extend up. It's kind of new, but
well, we're also at an awkward angle
we're at
here.
the side. But when
you
you're sitting on it, you can pull those up. They extend the handlebars to give you more leverage for your vertical activities.
That's beautiful. I've never seen a steering handle that will actually extend to allow you to be more comfortable when you're doing those kind of things.
We've got a trim adjustment there, so you can trim the nozzle, so you give it more throw, where you can do your verticals or submarines and adjust the nozzle.
Okay. All right, well, Ted, thank you so much on behalf of Two Guys in a Ride for taking your time with us today to show me this wonderful watercraft. What an awesome group of water vehicles to go and play with.